guys, and welcome home to another episode of Walking Home with Tom. Woo. It's snowing extremely heavily out here. I slipped, covered in snow a little bit. Beautiful sight over there, right? Water and everything. Snow flurries over there. Yeah, it's really fucking cold. Really fucking cold. Fucking blinding. Not used to snow though, but today's a bit extreme. Had some gum. Still no Brandis's. Should be 5. Only chew like Big Red and 5. No real reason, just do. Oh, over there. Snow's in my nose. Yeah, it's frost demons have attacked. The city's experiencing mass chaos. I'm fucking cold, freezing my brain. Mass chaos and casualties expected to be in the lower 100,000 millions, or the billion millions, or the million billions, whatever you want to call it. Oh god, it's fucking terrible. But you know, still, it gives it. Sorry for wrinkling my name. You have a very beautiful image or whatever. On my nose again, Christ. Yeah. This girl, right? Random. She looks just like the porn star Kiana Dior. I don't know, it's Kiana, I don't know her fucking name. She's an Asian. Massive breasts. That's my nose. Oh my god. In my ears, in my fucking ear. Pretty sure she said that sometime. Yeah. Looks just like her. She's crazy. I think she likes me. My nose is fucking running. Oh Lord. Shut up over there. Yeah. Like literally, face-wise and everything. I was like, holy shit. Her daughter. Yeah. I think she wants to meet the SNC. I might deny her. Just kidding. Not really though. Man. Breathing kind of heavily right now. Is what it is. Lord have mercy. Somebody over there. Your car down. Dude, I can't tell. That's fog. Look at this shit. Zoom in a bit. In my nose again. My fucking nose. I can't see shit. So, let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, I fucking fell. Could not tell where the hell. That's the ground. Could not fucking tell the floor from the sidewalk. Couldn't tell the fucking floor from the sidewalk. Woo! The legs and boots completely covered in fucking snow. We're almost there. We're heading to a bridge over there. That's where I crossed the bridge. Going for college. I've chewed that gum so much it's gone. Right. Give me out a spit. A text message. My class. I met a guy today who watched our videos. Sam. So, shout out right there to Sam. His house. Woo! Christ. In my nose again. Snow in your nose is not a very pleasant sensation. This is the fucking mist from the mist. The mist is occurring across the river here. See that shit? Oh my god, my eye. I'm pretty sure Kiana Dior said that as well. I'm gonna figure out how you say her name when I get home. Fucking thumb is gone. One thing will cut my thumb. The pain. And then there's nothing. And this. Fuck, if I'm walking into the mist, like Like, that'd be like the shittiest sequence ever. Go from fucking Fimbulvert snowstorm to the mist. Gotta fix this shit. Oh Lord. All in the mist. You know what? Fuck it. Let me get taken down by some crazy religious woman. All I'll do had a pistol. I'll take that. Fuck that. Giant alien ultra dimension bullshit they were dealing with. That fucking one pulled into the sky. Fuck that shit. Or the tentacle one that got that guy when he was in the fucking the basement and they pulled him out and it was like riffing. Oh, fuck that. Or that bug one that bit that chick in the face and destroyed her. Like, oh, fuck that shit. I'll take that. Oh, that's a fuck. Oh, the fucking spider one too, dude. Oh my god. Fuck that. Man, this is rough. Have to get my house when I get home too. Again. Get the first documented footage, so if I end up dying out here and never get home, the video gets uploaded, everyone will know what happened. Oh my god. What the hell's her name? I think Victoria, I think. I think she's, what is she? What the fuck? I don't know what she was. She's like mixed. She's like fucking, she's Viet with something else. In my mouth. She's Viet with something else, I don't remember what. Like 2 different Asian breeds. Not Korean. Somehow she could tell that I was Korean. I didn't instantly. Don't really, you know. Almost fell again. This sucks. How long is the video? 7 minutes long? See the bridge faintly over there. I crossed the bridge over there. Get some water. Take another boat, go home. Look at this. Whew. My backpack thing. God, my phone is so fucking finished right now. It's crazy. Yeah. I haven't done one of these in a long time. So like it's time to bring it back out. Bench finished. Tree finished. Fucking Donald Duck over there. Graffiti of Donald Duck to the wall. He's finished Howard the Duck all fucking day. Get that out the way. Put it back out. Yeah, so I'll upload this while I'm walking. So I'm gonna nickname her. Nickname Kiana Dior's daughter. Nickname her or something. Like an inside joke. I'm laughing. Oh shit, almost fell again. I'm laughing because it's funny. Nickname someone after a porn star. That's what it is. Look like somebody look like somebody, you know? It is what it is. I get thousands of Asian jokes daily. My friends look like so and so. Look at that house. Impressive. Gotta deal with it. The road's there, but I have to end up walking this way. I'll take the road. Someone carved out a road. Oh shit. Road right there. Whew. Alright, it's on our road now. Yeah. Yeah, next video, let you got the inside name of the whatever nickname I gave her. I don't know what the fuck it's gonna be. But yeah. So if I make it home, you'll know. If I don't, nice knowing all of you. And yeah. Peace.